Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to put your taskbar in the middle of Windows 10. To begin, right-click on an empty spot on your taskbar and uncheck Lock the Taskbar if it is checked. This crucial first step ensures we can manipulate elements around freely. Next, we will create a simple, empty folder to act as a custom toolbar. This unique method allows us to precisely position the icons for a clean, centered appearance. Now let's create that essential custom toolbar. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop and select New, then Folder. You can name it Center Taskbar or anything you prefer, as it will remain empty. Next, right-click on your taskbar again, hover over Toolbars, then click New Toolbar. Browse to the folder you just created, select it, and then click Select Folder. With your new custom toolbar active, you will see its name, perhaps Center Taskbar, appear on the right side of your taskbar. First, locate the two vertical lines next to your custom toolbar and drag them all the way to the far left. Next, you will see another set of two vertical lines to the left of your actual pinned application icons. Drag these carefully towards the left, watching your icons shift into the middle. To finalize the sleek, centered look, we need to hide the toolbar's text. Right-click on the Center Taskbar text on your taskbar. Uncheck Show Title and also uncheck Show Text from the context menu. This makes the custom toolbar invisible, leaving only your perfectly centered icons. Once satisfied with the alignment, right-click an empty taskbar space one final time and select Lock the Taskbar to keep everything securely in place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.